Ready to transform that sad excuse for tap water into pristine sips and suds? Dive in with our guide to the best whole house water filters. Imagine a world where every room in your home gushes with filtered goodness. No more dodging calcium crusties in the shower or sipping on suspiciously metallic H2O. Get ready to spoil your pipes, appliances, and family with the ultimate in water purification. Cheers to better days and even better taps. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. A.O. Smith, our pick for best budget whole house water filter. Ever notice a whiff of eau de chlorine when you turn on the tap? Turns out, municipal water treatment loves a good chlorine bath. The price? Your water ends up tasting like a swimming pool, and your skin feels as parched as a sun-baked desert. Enter the hero of this story, the A.O. Smith Whole House Water Filter System. Yep, it's our top pick to banish those sneaky chlorine gremlins. Unlike garden variety filters that seem to demand attention every few months, this bad boy comes with a central filter that keeps on trucking for 6 years, or a jaw-dropping 600,000 gallons. Translation: no more monthly panic attacks about whether your water is fit for a mermaid spa day. But hold your applause, folks. This is no one-trick pony. Alongside chlorine, it kicks out mercury, chloramines, herbicides, pesticides, you name it. However, sulfur and iron are like the uninvited guests at a wedding. It doesn't deal with them. Before you start popping the champagne, remember, this filter's superpower doesn't extend to sediment or bacteria. For that, you'll need to tag in the dynamic duo, A.O. Smith's UV and sediment filters. So, if you're ready to make the leap from May to marvelous water, the A.O. Smith Whole House Water Filter System has got your H2O covered. Time to give your water the upgrade it deserves. Number 4. Waterdrop G3, our pick for best easy-to-install whole house water filter. Gather round, hydration enthusiasts. Let's talk about Waterdrop's G3, Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System, the MVP of under-sink water purifiers. Imagine diving into a world where installation nightmares are a thing of the past. That's right, the Waterdrop G3 is practically a breeze to set up. Why? Because it's a sleek, single-point wonder that only requires one simple water line to get you started. Plus, thanks to their no-brainer instructions, you'll barely need any tools. But wait, there's more. Changing the filters is so easy, it almost feels like cheating. With an LED display that tells you everything you need to know about water quality and filter life, it's like having a mini water genius right under your sink. Fair warning, though. This superstar isn't designed to handle your entire home's H2O needs. It's perfect for giving you a tap of pristine filtered water in your kitchen. Nothing more, nothing less. Its tankless design means it won't hog precious cabinet space. And its top-notch reverse osmosis filtration system doesn't just do the job, it excels at it. We're talking efficient water usage while tackling those pesky contaminants like chlorine, TDS, PFAS, chromium, radium, fluoride, radioactive substances, and the list goes on. So there you have it, folks. If you're ready for a kitchen water filter that delivers purity and convenience, the Waterdrop G3 is your go-to gadget. Drink up. Still searching for the perfect whole house water filter? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. iSpring 3-Stage, our pick for best whole house water filter for hard water. Say goodbye to crunchy water with the iSpring 3-Stage Whole House Water Filtration System. If your H2O tastes more like H2O no, this bad boy is the remedy you didn't know you needed. Exclusively engineered to give iron and manganese the boot, it also kicks out sediment, chlorine, industrial nasties, herbicides, fertilizers, rust, and more, leaving you with water so clean, it's practically a Zen experience. Plus, its 15-gallon per minute flow rate ensures you'll never have to choose between your morning shower and running the dishwasher. Just don't go overboard by adding the washing machine to the mix unless you're aiming for a pressure change surprise party. Installation? Easy peasy. Assuming you're not allergic to a little elbow grease and have a couple of tools on hand. But once it's in, the upkeep is a breeze. We're talking screw-off filters that last up to 100,000 gallons or about a year, whichever comes first. iSpring's customer service is also top-notch, ready to rescue you if things go sideways. A minor gripe from a few folks about leaks around the filters, but the applause for refreshingly soft and clean water overwhelmingly drowns that out. So, grab the iSpring 3-stage whole house water filtration system and give your home the gift of gloriously pure water. Your taste buds and plumbing will thank you. Number 2. Aquasana, our pick for best Splurge whole house water filter. Are you ready to take your well water from yikes to yay? The Aquasana whole house? Well filter system is the MVP your home's been thirsting for. Yes, it does have a premium price, but for well water warriors, it's worth every penny and then some. With a colossal 500,000 gallon capacity, this beast is good for a cool 5 years of pure, filtered bliss. Why the Aquasana? Because this titan of filtration doesn't mess around. It's got an upflow dual tank to keep things degunked and maximize the water's contact with all that filtration goodness. Think of it as speed dating, but with filtration. More contact time =, more impurities swiped left. This 6-stage filtration system kicks off with a trusty pre-filter to nab rust, sediment, and silt. Next, your water waltzes through a copper-zinc route jam-packed with activated carbon, waving goodbye to bacteria and algae. Then, there's a salt-free conditioner to shoo away scale buildup, followed by a post-filter for any straggling sediment. And for the grand finale, a UV filter to take down bacteria, viruses, and cysts like a boss. Even if you're not on well water, Aquasana has got your back by kicking chlorine to the curb. Keep in mind, maintenance is key. Swap those filters every 2 months to keep things running shipshape. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Aqua-Pure, our pick for best whole house water filter overall. If you're looking to turn your home water into something that's not just bearable, but downright drinkable, meet your new BFF, the Aqua-Pure Whole House Water Scale Reduction System. This bad boy lands our top spot because it's versatile enough to handle whatever you throw at it. If you've got a hankering for fresher water without the nasty chlorine, dust, rust, and scale, the AP904 is your jam. With a flow rate of 10 gallons per minute, peaking at 20 GPM, it'll keep you hydrated without leaving you high and dry. Just don't go opening more than 3 faucets at once unless you want a trickle instead of a torrent. The activated carbon filter, rated for 5 microns, is the hero that keeps out moderate contaminants for up to 100,000 gallons or about a year, whichever comes first. Installation? Easier than assembling that Swedish furniture you thought you could handle solo. You'll need some basic tools and plumbing know-how, and okay, a bit of pipe cutting and soldering is involved. Not in your wheelhouse? No shame in calling a pro. Once it's up and running, changing the filters is a breeze. Everyone's favorite kind of DIY. While it's not the knight in shining armor you need for fighting off lead and other heavy metals, it'll absolutely elevate your H2O game to tasteless, odorless, and soft perfection. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best whole house water filter. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which whole house water filter you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.